Repair shops keep trucks on the roads thanks to the hard work of your technicians. It's vital that you provide them the easiest way to get straight to what they do best: repairs. So let's streamline or altogether remove as much admin work from their day-to-day tasks as possible, including tracking hours. Tracking technicians' actual hours is a simple but vital asset of the EMDECS system, and we've now added an even easier method of doing so with the Technician Time Scan screen. If your operation already uses barcode scanners, you can now have technicians clock onto repair order activities through a simple scan. Technicians sign on as usual through a scan of their label ID and then simply move from job to job via the barcode on the repair order. This is just one of the ways EMDECS can help you streamline your repair shop operations. To find out more and to help improve efficiency at every level, visit BrightOrder.com to learn more.